my wife and I were just really tired of the load shedding at its peak, and we decided, on the recommendation of my son-in-law, to approach Specialized Solar Systems to come and design a system for us, which they did. Came around with their toys and connected a dongle to our meter and discovered how much power we used during the day and at night, and then went off and designed a system for us. So right now I have a pod, which is a system which is not attached to my house, which I'm pleased about, and it's not in or attached. That was a special request that we made to Specialized Solar Systems, and they came up with this pod. And this pod caters for our 3-phase installation, which we have at the house. We have 8 kVA per phase. We have 60 kilowatt of battery power. We have 36 5 by 50 solar panels. And I believe we have 4 250 by 100 MPPT. So it's not a small installation. It was a very well designed, quite involved, the installation. Working like a Rolls-Royce at the moment. And we're very happy with it so far. And I do hope that anybody would like to have an installation where their house, the installation is not attached or in, that the pod is a worthwhile option for them, and I believe it is. And I wouldn't go any other way. And once again, I've had nothing but the best of service from Specialized Solar Systems. They have been very attentive, paid a lot of attention to detail, have kept us informed along the way, and I could highly recommend the company. And I really can't say much more about them, except that they've been a top-class company to deal with from bottom to the top. Yeah, and I would like to add that we draw great comfort knowing that we are not burning coal, we're not burning diesel or petrol to generate this power. That it comes from the sun. It's a very clean source, and it's nice to be carbon neutral on this matter. We would like more people to go that way if possible, and to draw energy from the elements, from the sun. So this is important to us, and apart from which we like to make sure that we have power when we need it. My final word is that it's the best thing under the sun. Okay.